Hi everyone, I hope you're doing so well. Today I wanted to do a neutral look with the Neutral Beauty Bay palette because, you know, sometimes you just want a nice simple neutral look. These are all the colours that you get. They're absolutely stunning. I love these ones, especially the copper shade. Kind of want to like dive into that. So I'm going to do two looks for you right now. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to quickly prime. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild primer. Looks like this. Let's just put a little dab on my eyelid. Actually, let's just test this out quickly. We're going to do one Wet n Wild on my right eye, and it's quite sheer. It goes on really like almost like an oil. What's that smell? I might just need to get a new one though. The other day it came out really watery and I had to give it a really good like shake. And then the other eye, I'm going to get something else out. Other eye, I'm going to do the Revolution. I don't know what colour it is. It's just like the light one. And it's like already, it does this though. It just comes out. I'm not even pushing. It just, yeah. Probably got a bit too much there. See? It's a lot more. I'm just going to try and pat that out as much as I can. Yeah, I got way too much on that eye. See the colour difference? Yeah. But we will. I just want to know whether the Beauty Bay eyeshadows work better with my Wet n Wild primer or the other primer, because I said to you guys I've been having like some issues with the Wet n Wild one. I wasn't sure if I was like really loving it. Like, is it like a good one? Okay, I'm done. And then let's do this left eye first. We're on the Revolution eye base. So I'm going to go in with a Canyon. I'm going to put that pretty much like all up in the crease. And then I think we're going to finish off with sequins, because it just looks like that lovely like coppery shade that I really want to get on my eyelids. So let's go in with Canyon, see how much we can pick up. So this is Canyon. So that's very pigmented going on. That was just one little dab, and this is going on top of the Revolution eye base. I didn't even need to like even blend much out there. That's like already done it. But of course I'm going to dip in a second time and deepen up that shade. Take it again, Canyon. This is on my Eco Tools brush. If you're interested, they're really good brushes. I do like them. They're not paying me to say that. I just really like the Eco Tools brushes, and I think they're affordable, good brushes. And I love the fact they're double-ended as well. There we go. We just put that all over the crease. And I've left this little bit here for some shim-shims, which we will put on in just a sec. I don't know. I don't feel like I don't know actually. I'm just gonna deepen up a bit here. Oh, we're gonna take this little bit. I don't really use this bit of end of this brush. It looks like a little bullet, doesn't it? So to deepen it up, I could go in really, really dark. So I really use a little bit of Canyon. I could do Cowboy. I'm not gonna do Cowboy. I think I'm gonna go the next brown. I'm gonna do should I do Clam? I'm gonna do Sepia, if I'm saying that right. I think I want that one. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that shade and just gonna put it just a little bit here in the outer corner. Just a little bit. I'm not really blending it, I'm just sort of packing it on in that corner just to give that outer corner a little bit of depth. There we go. And then I'm sort of blending it into the outer bit of the crease. Anything that's left, I'm taking a long little outer corner, like so. And now, I feel like I've got enough, but just in case I don't, I'm going to go on top with a little bit of my NYX glitter primer. So let's try a little bit of this bad boy, just like a smidgen. You don't need much of this at all. And I'm literally just going to take a little bit. It came off in two little dots, so excuse that. And I'm just going to go dot there where I want it. So I want it sort of like in the middle and a little bit near that inner corner. And I want to keep more of the dark area over there. It's really good. It's sticky, it's tacky. I feel like it's drying down. I can feel the stickiness of it like between my fingers, as you can see. And now I just dab my finger on a bit of a wet wipe. You can use setting spray there. You can even just use like a bit of water. But my finger is damp, and now I'm going to go in with that shade. I'm going to go in with that beautiful sequin shade, which is this one. I'm just going to show you when I go in what it looks like. It feels really creamy. It's got so much sparkle. It's so pretty. And it's got that little, like that copper look to it. I'm going to go in like this. And I'm just dabbing it on at the moment. And then I do a little drag. Sometimes I find like if I dab it and then drag it. And that was just one. That's really nice though. If you want like a nice shimmery, coppery look. I like that. I'm just going to go in again, just for a little bit more. I just want to deepen that bit up a bit. Like so. I'm going to go back in with the darker shade, because I feel like I've just taken it away, a bit of that shimmery shade. And take a little bit underneath. Like so. And now with the other eye, I'm going to go in with Twig, which is a lighter shade, or up in the crease. And then for shimmer, I'm going to go in with Sugar, which almost looks like a silver, but then it's sort of like a gunmetal shade. That one's more like a burgundy, the fizz one. We're going to try Sugar and see how that looks, because I'm just curious about these two different eye looks, how they're going to look. And they're the two different shades I wouldn't necessarily go and put together, so it's just fun to have a little play. So let's see what these looks come out like. So I'm just going to turn so you can see this one. And this eye has the Wet n Wild eye primer. Again, the matte's going on really nicely. I'm using like an angled brush just to pack it on really. I'm just lighting up that eye area like so. I feel like I'm having to dip in a bit more with this one. Like you can see it is lighting up the area, but I'm having to like use this lighter shade a bit more. I've gone in like 3 or 4 times now. But you're counting, I've forgotten. There we go. I think that's as light as we're gonna get it. I'm just gonna put some near that in the corner as well, because I want some down there, near that in the corner. Let's put a bit down there. Okay, that's as light as I can build it up. And now we're gonna go in with that beautiful Sugar shimmer, which looks like this. This one. Let's go and take that one. Let's see. So it's like a goldy sort of shimmery shade. It's gonna blur from the excess. Get the little bumpy bits. And I've already put some primer on it. Actually, no, let's put a bit more NYX glitter. There we go. So there's the NYX glitter primer going on. Let that dry down a little bit. Don't slap yourself in the face. Okay, and next we're gonna go and put this on. It's nice though. It's got some different colours going on in the Sugar one. I would say it's got silver, it's got gold. I think it's also got some nice pink maybe going for it. Let's see if we can build it up just a little bit more with that Sugar shade. Just put a load on my finger. Definitely can build that up. I like the sparkles in it. I patted it, I dragged it. That's what we're looking like at the moment. That's a nice one. And that's actually quite nice. Just doing the lighter colour, the light white shade we did. And then we did the shimmer just pretty much all over the cross of the lid. And then this one we did the lovely coppery shade and a bit of dark here. And then we did that other brown shade. I don't know which one I like. I like both of them. And I'm not going to do mascara right now, just because I'm going to be doing some other looks and I feel like it's wasteful putting it on and wiping it off. But these are what the shades look like. Comment down below which eye look do you like the best. I quite like the Sugar one. That's got some nice shine to it. But I also really like the like buttery, coppery sequins shade in this palette. So nice. I've forgotten how nice this palette actually is. And it's a great one for work. This is a really good just like everyday palette if you don't want to have like, if you like, you want some sparkle, you want nice mattes that are going to perform, wear well throughout the day, you know, not crease up on you, and just, yeah. Let me know what you think. I hope these two eye looks were helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't already, if you like all things makeup tutorials especially, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye.